Hello my friends, today I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog and link for my blog will be under the video description. Now let me show you how to use it and few examples. Alright, when you open the Fusion, go in FX Library, Templates and in the folder where you extracted the files. You will get flowers and flower blue number 2, green number 2, pink number 2 and so on. So all you have to do is just drag like this and then connect to media out and you will get the flowers just like this. Or you can just use the background, use the merge, use the background in the background, connect flower to the foreground, and now you can just move around and do whatever you want. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.